Good morning, this is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. I already started yesterday and I read for Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer. And today I continue reading for Leo, Virgo, Libra and Scorpio. And this reading here is for Leo. Welcome Leo. I'm using 5 card decks. And the reading starts with the Shaman's Dream Oracle card called Repairing the Veil. This card is about forgiveness, making amends, and recognition of our unity. Between us all is a thin veil appearing to be a space that separates us. So we look through this veil and we believe ourselves to be distinct from each other. We assume that our thoughts and feelings are our own. So we see bodies and objects and the spaces between them, and we engage the world in relationships between a duality of us and them. This veil serves as a mysterious illusion, though, making it so hard to believe in our inherent connection and unity. We cannot always remember that what we do to someone else, we also at the same time do to ourselves. When we claw at the veil out of fear, anger, jealousy, or resentment, we manipulate another and misuse our power, or allow someone's actions to diminish us, and we create a wound felt by many, not just those of us in the smaller and direct relationship. Now is the time to examine where your actions have caused difficulty or harm to someone else, but also where you have been the recipient of harm yourself. Regardless of what side you are on, it is important to take responsibility for healing this rift by bringing love, compassion, deep listening, and presence to whatever is not in harmony. Do this for yourself and for your own liberty as you become an unwitting hostage once you take the role of perpetrator or victim. Both positions are positions of weakness. So let go of all your resentments and know your part in the dynamic and make the appropriate amends with the newfound wisdom and understanding. Healing, forgiveness, and mending what is broken in your world is a sweet and much needed declaration of freedom. Next card is Work Your Light Oracle card, and out came Align Your Life. And the card is about what is not aligned or what needs to change. What in your life is no longer in alignment with who you truly are? We are cyclic beings in a constant state of change, of evolution, and of growth. Change is one of the only certainties of life. So when you resist your cyclic nature, you also resist life and you feel stuck. Many of us have learned to be who the world wants us to be, but there comes a time when it is harder to hold on to this facade than it is to embrace who we truly are. So we surrender to how we have changed and align life to that way of being. If this card has come up in your reading, you are being called to let go of who you once were or the things that you once defined yourself by. Your job, your relationships, and the mask you wore, and to embrace who you truly are now. To courageously step into the person that you came here to be in full authenticity. So embrace your weirdness and also your uniqueness. Perhaps you have outgrown some relationships or some circumstances, and it is time to reassess and bring all the parts of your life into alignment so that they are congruent with who you truly are today. So ask this work your light inquiry: what in my life is not aligned or needs to change? The Sacred Destiny Oracle card that came out is Purification, and purification is about summer rain. Traditionally, rain symbolizes rebirth and washing one's sins away. Water is also associated with emotions, and a summer rain can represent the release of long-held emotions that allows for a purification and inner healing. There's also a renewal aspect of rain. The old saying, April showers bring May flowers, means that what follows the rain is a time of renewal and blossoming. And yes, our tears, they wash away disappointment and pain as well. The sacred landscape wants you to know it is difficult for new, vibrant energy to enter your life if it is clogged with old and outdated energy. So cleanse and purify your body and your physical space. This is a great time for a detox or clutter clearing, cleansing, and space clearing. So release outdated energy to invite fresh, clear energy into your life. And eat lightly. Do not take things personally. Release resentment, guilt, and blame. Purify yourself, your thoughts, your words, and your deeds. Decluttering is a modern day alchemy. If you do not love it or use something, let it go. This card can also represent abundance, as flowing water is a metaphor for prosperity, and summer is the time of expansion. Now we come to the two decks. They are animal decks. One is called Lovely Animals Oracle, and out for you came Kangaroo. The Kangaroo card has a general message. It is important to find a place where you feel loved and protected. Do not give up until you find it. Make it happen quickly and easily, because complex thinking can lead to you going around in circles for too long. So do not waste any time. The kangaroo is about love, protection, and simplicity. The strength is that you are focused, fast, strong, and very protective towards your family. Opportunities are that you have the ability to overcome everyday life obstacles. Weaknesses might be that you might be shy and too much of a thinker. And there are some dangers that you might move in vicious circles that might lead nowhere. And the last card is the Archangel Animal Oracle card, and out came Parrot. And the Parrot card is about listen intently to understand. Advises Archangel Bokpi. The whole parrot family, which are parrots, budgerigars, cockatoos, parakeets, lovebirds, and macaws, they are fifth-dimensional beings. They come from Lakume, the ascended aspect of Sirius. Their sole mission is to carry and radiate the light and the lessons of the archangels through their glorious colors. Wherever they fly, they leave a trail of beautiful angel energy. While the parrots are in a physical body, they are using the opportunity to develop their skills. They can utilize the tools to demonstrate to us that birds are clever. Their most remarkable gift is the capacity for mimicry. They can copy human voices, animals, and other sounds, which is a talent they have cultivated by listening intently. Parrots, they remind you to listen with your heart and your ears. They are teaching humans to heed keenly all that is happening around them. There is guidance to the card. When you receive this card, you are being asked to listen with your heart and soul in order to understand what people are really saying. Use all your senses to note what they are truly imparting and what is going on inside them. You may discover more than you thought possible. You are also being reminded that the archangels work through color. When you wear a bright color or choose one for your home or your workplace, the angels can radiate their light and their lessons through the vibration. You are here on earth to learn everything you can while in a physical body. So take every opportunity that appears and hone your gifts and demonstrate them whenever you can. So, Leo, that was your reading. I thank you very much for listening. I wish you a glorious day today. I wish you a glorious whole week. Take care and goodbye.